Here's a comprehensive and easy-to-understand summary of Beyond Positive Thinking by Dr. Robert Anthony, tailored for B1 English learners. The summary is divided into clear sections, uses simple language, and provides detailed insights into the book's content. Beyond Positive Thinking is a self-help book that goes beyond the traditional concept of positive thinking. Dr. Robert Anthony emphasizes the importance of aligning one's beliefs, thoughts, and actions with universal laws to achieve desired results. The book provides practical techniques to help readers overcome limiting beliefs, harness the power of the subconscious mind, and take deliberate actions toward their goals. Introduction: Moving Beyond Mere Positivity. Dr. Anthony begins by challenging the conventional notion of positive thinking. He argues that simply thinking positively is not enough to bring about real change. Instead, he introduces the concept of right thinking, which involves understanding and aligning with universal principles such as the law of cause and effect. By doing so, individuals can create lasting transformations in their lives. Understanding the subconscious mind. A significant portion of the book delves into the workings of the subconscious mind. Dr. Anthony explains that our subconscious beliefs, often formed during childhood, play a crucial role in shaping our reality. These beliefs can either support or hinder our progress. By becoming aware of these ingrained patterns, individuals can reprogram their subconscious to align with their conscious desires. The power of self-image. Dr. Anthony emphasizes that our self-image, the way we perceive ourselves, directly influences our behavior and outcomes. A positive self-image fosters confidence and success, while a negative one can lead to self-sabotage. The book provides strategies to improve self-image, such as affirmations, repeating positive statements about oneself, visualization, imagining oneself achieving desired goals, self-talk, monitoring and adjusting internal dialogue to be more supportive, setting and achieving goals. Goal setting is a central theme in the book. Dr. Anthony outlines a step-by-step approach to setting and achieving goals. 1. Clarity. Define clear and specific goals. 2nd, belief. Cultivate a strong belief in one's ability to achieve these goals. 3. Visualization. Regularly visualize the successful attainment of goals. 4. Action. Take consistent and purposeful actions toward goals. 5. Persistence. Maintain determination despite obstacles. By following this framework, individuals can bridge the gap between their current state and desired outcomes. Techniques for reprogramming the mind. The book introduces several techniques to help readers reprogram their minds for success. Imprinting. Combining affirmations, visualization, and emotional intensity to instill new beliefs. The 5 R's, a process consisting of relax, recognize, realize, reason, and release to align with one's goals. Self-talk. Monitoring. Becoming aware of and adjusting internal dialogue to support desired changes. These methods aim to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, facilitating personal growth and achievement. Achieving financial abundance. Dr. Anthony applies his principles to the realm of financial success. He discusses how beliefs about money can either attract or repel wealth. Key points include law of attraction, focusing on abundance rather than scarcity to attract wealth. Seed money concept, giving money with the expectation of receiving more in return. Gratitude, cultivating a sense of gratitude to enhance financial well-being. By aligning thoughts and actions with these principles, individuals can improve their financial situations. Embracing action over hope. A recurring message in the book is the importance of taking action. Dr. Anthony cautions against relying solely on hope, emphasizing that real change requires deliberate effort. He encourages readers to take responsibility, acknowledge one's role in creating their reality, act decisively, make informed decisions and act upon them, overcome fear, face challenges with courage and determination. This proactive approach empowers individuals to take control of their lives and achieve their goals. Conclusion: creating a fulfilling life. In conclusion, Beyond Positive Thinking offers a comprehensive guide to personal transformation. By understanding and applying the principles outlined in the book, readers can develop a positive and empowering self-image, align their subconscious beliefs with conscious desires, set and achieve meaningful goals, cultivate financial abundance, take purposeful actions toward a fulfilling life. Dr. Anthony's practical techniques and insights provide a roadmap for individuals seeking lasting change and success. After I read this book, Beyond Positive Thinking, I learned that real change starts in the mind. I understood that it's not just about thinking positive, it's about believing in myself and taking action. This book showed me how to change my thoughts, build confidence, and set clear goals. Now, I know I have the power to create a better life. Step by step, with the right mindset, anything is possible.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!